Hey guys, watch this! I watch people cry for a living. That's what teaching knife skills classes basically boils down to. I have tried to solve the problem of dicing onions for years. I have watched a lot of YouTube videos and I have made a lot of YouTube videos on dicing onions. But it wasn't until recently that I had an onion epiphany. What if onions were square? Think about it. That would change everything. Just because nature didn't intend them to be square doesn't mean that we can't make them so. Let me walk you through this method step by step and explain why and how it works. You want to keep the root, but cut off the top of the onion. This gives you the first flat surface. Stand up the onion on it and cut off the onion sides. This will kill two birds with one stone. First of all, you've got yourself a square onion. And second of all, you got halfway through peeling your onion. Nick the remaining skin around the top and it will come off nice and easy. If knife skills isn't your strong suit, you might want to sacrifice a bit of your onion to make the surfaces wider and more stable. Set your onion onto this flat surface and slice it using the tip of your knife. Go all the way down, but keep the onion attached at the root. Roll the onion onto the other flat surface and repeat slicing. Again, use the tip of the knife. Go all the way down, but keep it attached at the root. See what we did? We eliminated that annoying horizontal cut. Don't worry if a few small pieces fall out. To finish the dice, place the onion at the back of your knife and slice through it. If you want, work your way around the root to get a few more pieces. I don't know if you've noticed, but we haven't cut through the root. I've heard before that most of the tear-inducing gases are in the root, and if you don't cut through the root, you don't cry. The problem was that most of the don't cut through the root methods that I've seen on YouTube are extremely awkward and uncomfortable, so I never bothered with them. When I came up with this square onion method, my goal was not to make the onion tear-free, it was just to make it faster and easier to dice. But since we ended up with an intact root, I was curious, would this help with tears? So I took out my contacts and tried to cut onions in glasses. I am insanely sensitive to onions once my contact superpower is taken away from me. In glasses, I usually cry after only one onion. But using this method, I was okay in glasses after 2 onions. No crying, completely clear vision, just a very light sting in my eyes. I also tried it on a few of my students who don't wear contacts, and they all reported an improvement in eye comfort over traditional onion dicing methods. Of course, it's possible that we were all crying less simply because this method is faster. So I don't mean to oversell how tear-free this method is. I think we need a bigger study to produce more conclusive results. And you can help. Dice an onion using this method and let me know how your eyes do. Hey, come on, it's for science! This video was brought to you by viewers like you. If you liked it, click here to support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications. And if you're ever in the Boston area and need a good cry, maybe I'll see you in one of my knife skills classes.